melt our butter. I've got a quarter of a cup of butter to start. Lights everywhere. Lights, camera, action. I'm gonna melt that up. We're gonna need that for the phyllo pastry. We're gonna need onions. One onion, like that, and I've got a whole bunch of garlic. We're gonna use 2 or 3 of those, but I do have a lot of spinach. Popeye would be proud today for what we have. I've used one big container, so that nice big box we get in the store, spinach. There is our butter. So let's check that. I've got the olive oil that I'm gonna crack open a new one right now. Look at that, new olive oil on the live stream. Woo! Chop, chop-a-roo, okay? That's number 1. Get it in the pan with some oil. We're gonna add in some salt, some pepper, and extra lemon juice tonight. I've got dill, I've got lots of dill here, and that's the beauty about making something like this. If you needed to clean out your fridge and you have some sort of phyllo pastry or puff pastry, but then you also have some herbs laying around like dill, you want to use spinach before it goes bad, this is definitely something that you're able to whip up. So let's get by getting this done. Okay? I'm going to dice these up. Nice and tiny. Get them in our oil with the garlic and be set. I'm gonna get our garlic done. Oh my gosh. I'm still tearing up. We'll get 2 garlic. I'll get a 3rd just to be sure. Let's get the onions. I was looking for my scraper. I've got to make sure I pay attention to the other camera over there as well. Our garlic cloves done. Let's say I've got 3 out tonight. That should be plenty for what we've got going here. Turn that temp down a little bit. Just trying to soften the onions up here. We're not looking to brown them, okay? Just get those nice and soft. Just so that way it gives me a minute to speed up here with my garlic. Last one. And then let's mince. We're gonna add the garlic in. We're gonna add the spinach in. We've got to chop the dill, salt and pepper, and some lemon. We need fresh lemon juice in there. Okay. Almost getting this down. I won't say a paste. It's certainly not a paste, but we're slicing and dicing our garlic as fine as we can get it here on this Tuesday night. So 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get all those in. Onions and garlic, I'm already a fan. Count me in for that dish. Okay, so here's the dill. The dill is on the verge of spoiling, so it's perfect that I'm getting this done tonight. Now I think in these we need to have a lot of dill. So I'm going to use whatever I can out of what's remaining and still good. It actually looks, all of it looks pretty good. There was just 1 or 2 that aren't going to make the cut tonight, but the majority of them certainly will. I'll give those 30 seconds. Onions and garlic. Nice. I love the fragrance here of onions and garlic. I'm gonna start chopping the dill. I'm gonna add in our spinach. And don't worry when it looks like there's too much spinach in here, because that is going to soften and shrink. Never gets not funny. Anyway, in goes the spinach. Lots of spinach going in. Look at that. All those greens, I wish I could say I was going to eat them all, but it's not going to be me eating all the spinach. That would be too easy. We're cooking down our spinach here. You'll see how quickly this that shrinks down. I am going to get the dill chopped. And then this will have a chance to cool while I prepare our phyllo pastry. I have 1 box of phyllo, 16 sheets. I'm going to cut it in strips of 4. And then we'll see how many triangles we can get from all this spinach concoction. And like I said, I've got some feta cheese as well I can add in, bring up the volume, but I'm going to go all spinach all day first. And then if I realize that I've got phyllo left, I'll mix in feta cheese for the last bunch, the last batch. Garlic came out. Look how quickly that spinach is reducing down for us. Excellent. Keep that going. No excuses. Cook like a champion. That's what we're doing here, and hopefully that's what everyone's going to be able to do at home after seeing a few of these videos. There we go. Spinach coming down. Love it. I have to start adding some flavor. Right now I've got onions, garlic, spinach. In goes the dill. Called Spinach, Greek spinach pie, mini spinach pie. So right now I've got garlic, 3 cloves. I've got 1 onion, medium size, 1 big box of spinach, and I'll say that was about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of chopped dill, fresh dill. Okay, we're gonna take it easy on the salt. Just a pinch, not a punch. Teaspoon. Boom! A little shakeroonie of some pepper in here. Not too much, same thing. A little bit more than the salt, a little bit more than a teaspoon. Boom! The final stage is going to be adding in the lemon. Heat is down. Lemon juice. So I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons here, and let's see how much we got out of that lemon. 1, 2, that's good. So once we pass that, I'm good. 3, oh yeah. Should be good. Should be. But we may add some more. We have to do taste test time. Make sure we have enough. I can't do anything about the dill right now. I mean, I might be able to sneak out a little bit more, but lemon, we can always do more if need be. Damn, too much salt. Can't do anything about that now. I could try lemon, break that down, but the salt is in there, it's penetrated. Too much. Apparently that was a punch, not a pinch. I knew that wasn't a pinch. No excuses. Cook like a champion right now for everyone. So that's our mixture. Spinach. Hey, picanes! Okay. Try and keep these soft. Oh, you know what? I'll just mark this one up as well since we're here. So we've got that marked. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll mark them all. So we know where we're going to cut right now. Roll. Nice. Okay, so number 1 here, they're defrosted. Looks like... Ah! They're torn. Are you kidding me? I got a bad package? Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Package of phyllo that's not torn, but no excuses. Cook like a champion. We'll figure this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give us good ones as our base. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, a little butter. A little butter. And now we'll add in the second layer that's busted up, but it doesn't matter anymore because we've got a good one underneath. So we just overcame a little bit of an obstacle right there. Okay, and this one, it's a little busted up too, but it no longer matters. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's recover from this, okay? Let's recover from this. Now, we could really pack these up and make them massive, or just give them about a teaspoon. I'm using a tablespoon, of course, as I say that. But we're okay. We're coming back. So we're going in a flag pattern, triangle, and my mom would be saying, pull it towards me and go tight right there. So right there, pull it, roll tight, and then over this way, and then tight again on this one. This one's got to be tight, and we're getting to the end. So now these last two really have to count. So right here, I'm squeezing, I'm pulling towards me, and then the last fold over right there, and then That's it. What about a race here? Now, if my mom and I were making these side by side, I wouldn't even attempt to challenge her because I'm going nice and slow here. She'll go really quick. There we go. Last one here on this rollover. We overcame huge obstacles tonight in this kitchen. Phyllo pastry, salted spinach. We're overcoming this. As I say, no excuses. Cook like a champion. So pull it towards you. Tight on this one. This one's got to be folded tight over. Beep, beep, beep. And then the last one wasn't as good here. I lost focus. I celebrated early, but that's okay. Okay, look at this. Tight, roll, and the fold. I like the that's for sure. Okay, you know what? We're getting there. Feta cheese. I'm going to crumble it in there. These 3 spinach ones right here. And then I'm going to put 2 spinach and 2 mixed in the oven. So that way they're baking. And if all goes well, they'll be done by the time I'm done rolling these. But we know with my Betty Crocker oven, I say 3 minutes. That could mean an extra 30. Okay, hey, this one's folded nice. Yes, sir. That's a solid one. That's going in the oven. Please. Okay, fold. Look at this. I'm in the zone. I can't be stopped. Look at that fold. Do you guys see how quick that one went down? Boom. We got a lot of these ready to go. I say a lot, but I think it's plenty. Just golden brown. That's all we're looking for. Golden brown. Woo! Oozing. To try it when it's that hot. But I'm gonna lift this up to the camera. Ooh, come on. There we go. I'll take these down any day. Blaming the phyllo pastry, okay? Knock off phyllo pastry. Let's try it. It's so hot. It's so hot. I mean, it's so hot. But no excuses. Eat like a champion. It's gonna burn so much, but it's not the first time I've burned. Boom! Can't give it a triple boom. The salt. It was the salt content